Hello everyone, welcome back to Sendale Technical Institute. In our previous video, we looked at what AutoCAD is and how incredibly vital it is in the high-paying oil and gas industry. Today we are moving over to the practical side. We are using AutoCAD 2021 and in this video, we are going to break down its entire user interface step by step. We will start with the first screen you see the moment you open the software and go all the way into the main design workspace. If you want to work fast, look like a professional, and master industrial drafting, knowing this interface inside out is mandatory. Let's jump right in. So the start screen. Everyone, what you see on the screen right now is the official start screen of AutoCAD 2021. The moment you launch the software, this is your primary starting point. As you can see, the layout is cleanly organized into three major columns. The first one, left column, Get Started. This is where you launch your brand new projects. To start a fresh oil and gas layout or any engineering design from scratch, just click this large Start Drawing button and your main canvas will open. Right below it, you have Open Files to select existing files from your hard drive and explore sample drawings to look pre-made project templates. And we have some more additional options also. Open a sheet, get more templates from online. You can learn AutoCAD from the official AutoCAD learning platform. Next column, recent documents, middle column. This section is an absolute lifesaver and a massive time saver for designers. Instead of digging through multiple project folders every single day, you recently accessed Your recently accessed engineering drawings are displayed right here with dates and visual thumbnails. For example, look at our screen, the A3H Centhalai design we worked on yesterday and our termination drawing 22DJA101 are sitting right there. You can click them directly and resume your work instantly. Third, right column, connect. Finally, the third column on the right is for networking and licenses. By clicking this blue sign in button, you can log into your official Autodesk account. This allows you to manage cloud files, synchronization data via Autodesk 360, and keep track of software updates easily. And this send feedback button, you can send whatever you feel about AutoCAD to Autodesk company. Now, let's click on the Start Drawing button and enter our actual workspace. The main design workspace interface. Boom! Now we are in the actual working environment of AutoCAD. It might look a bit intimidating at first glance with so many buttons, but let's break it down into five easy parts. Part 1, Application Menu and Quick Access Toolbar. Look at the top left corner. The large red A icon is your application menu. Clicking it expands your main file management tools like New, Open, Save as, Import, Export, and Plot. Directly to its right, you will find a row of small icons called the Quick Access Toolbar. So this is application menu and the Quick Access Toolbar. This houses your most frequently used one-click commands like save, undo, redo, open, new, etc. The ribbon area. Moving along the entire top portion of the screen, we have this massive control deck called ribbon. This is where 90% of your visual drafting tools live. The headings you see on the top, like Home, Insert, Annotate, are called tabs. Inside each tab, tools are clustered into neat boxes called panels. For instance, under the Home tab, you have the Draw panel containing your line, polyline, circle and arc tools. And right next to it, it is the Modify panel for editing tools like Move, Copy and Rotate. Third, Drawing Area and ViewCube. Now, look at this vast black grid space taking up most of your monitor. This is the drawing area or workspace. This is your canvas where you will physically draw your piping lines, equipment vessels, structural steel beams, or electrical tray runs. Over the top right corner of this canvas, you will see a small navigational box displaying directions north, east, south, west. This is the view cube. While we work mostly in a flat 2D top view, you can click corners on this cube to rotate your model into a 3D isometric view instantly. Fourth, the command line, the heart of AutoCAD. Let's drop down to the bottom center of your screen. You will see a long floating white text bar. This is the command line and it is literally the heart and soul of AutoCAD. While beginners rely on clicking up icons up in the ribbon, true AutoCAD professionals rarely move their mouse up there. They use keyboard shortcuts instead. For example, instead of moving your mouse all the way up to click the line icon, you can simply type L in this command bar, hit enter, and your line tool activates instantly. It makes your drafting lightning fast. Alright. 5. The status bar. Finally, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. This grid of tiny blue and gray toggles is called the status bar. There are These are your vital drafting assistance tools. You can turn your background grid lines on or off using grid mode, force your lines to lock into strict 90-degree straight angles using ortho mode, or snap onto exact geometric midpoints and endpoints cleanly using object snap mode. So there you have it, guys. The AutoCAD 2021 user interface might look vast at first, but once you understand how these sections function, navigating through your designs becomes absolute second nature. In our next video, we are going to get our hands dirty. We will learn how to properly set up your drawing units, meters, millimeters, or feet and inches, wherever or whatever you like, for industrial projects, and draft our very first line using the command line. If you found this complete UI tool helpful, smash that like button, share this video with your engineering batchmates, and don't forget to hit subscribe. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.